Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Kenomolo, and on today's video I want to bring you along on my trading session on Quotex. So I've just placed a trade for $50 on Quotex. My current balance is 991 US dollars, and the trading duration that I'm using is 1 minute. My investment per trade is $50 per trade, and the time frame on this chart is 1 minute, which means that each of these candlesticks are formed in 1 minute. So my trade is almost closing. It's almost closing. I traded with $50. I was supposed to earn $41 in profits, and I just lost my $50. So the result is 0-0. So I'll continue trading up. Okay, so the strategy that I want to use now is what we know as the same color legendary method, whereby you trade based on the color of the last candlestick. So the candlestick that closed last closed green, so we'll go up twice again on that. And as you can see, that candlestick closed with a big green bar, which means that there is a lot of momentum of buyers trying to get back to push the market back up. So I've traded twice with $50 again on the 1 minute time frame and 1 minute duration. So let's wait and see what happens in 43 seconds. If you don't have an account in Quotex, there is a link on the description of this video. Go ahead and click on it and create your Quotex account. If you need guidance on how to trade on the Quotex platform, I also have a link to our Telegram channel. Go ahead and click on it and register or join our Telegram channel. The balance at the moment is $981. Okay, our balance is $981, and our current trade is closing in 5 seconds. So it's just closed and we've just opened another trade. Okay, our balance is back at $971, and we have 2 trades that are currently running, still going upwards. So that green candlestick, has closed green, so we go up again twice. Okay, so let's wait and see what happens in 36 seconds. In 36 seconds, let's wait and see what happens. It seems we are going to win those 2 trades too. Okay, should we win that, we'll have made $80 on those 2 trades, and our balance will have grown to over $1,000. Remember, my initial deposit was $800, which means that currently I'm standing at a profit of $171, and we've just closed in profits twice, and our balance has grown to 1,152 US dollars. So being that this is a pin bar, we see that there are a lot of sellers trying to come back into the market. They are pushing downwards, and we've ended up with an inverted hammer. So what does that mean? It means that a reversal is imminent, and that is why I've traded down twice. Okay, remember the general trend again is a downtrend. We traded up based on the same color legendary method, and that was just to take care of the retracement that we had in the market before the continuation of the downtrend. So let's wait and see in 20 seconds what happens. Our balance is at 1,500 1,000 our balance is at $1,052, and that is great. We've just grown the balance by over $250, and we've won that again, and the balance is at $234. Okay, we've gone to $234, placed to trade downwards. Let's wait and see what happens. Let's wait and see what happens in 40 seconds. My current balance is $1,134. If I win these two, then I'll have won. My balance will grow with over $180, considering that these will bring a profit of $91, and the other one will also bring a profit of $91, which means that if this closes in profits, we will move to over $1,300, which gives us over $500 in profits. 3201. Yeah, so we've gone to 1,316 US dollars. So that is it. That is everything that I had for you for today. If you don't have an account, go ahead and click on the link on the description of this video to begin trading with Quotex. Until next time, bye bye. My name is Kenomolo.